It's important. If you're a YouTuber, basically vlog. I'm a plant mom, you know what I'm saying? This is how my plants are thriving. This is how my plants are dying. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renee and today we're talking Vlogtober. Vlogtober is literally here. It's October. If you're a small YouTuber, then Vlogtober probably should be important to you. Basically, what Vlogtober is every day of the month, you're gonna film a video and post it. Every single day. That's 31 days you'll be posting or filming, editing, and posting a video. I know, it's overwhelming. For starters, let's just be clear. Whatever video you post, short, okay? Cute, as in, like, fun. Okay, keep it fun, all right? You wanna make it informative. Be your authentic self. So if that's goofy, be goofy. Okay, if it's serious, be serious. You want to see your full self through these videos because they are going to be a little bit shorter because you want to cut down on editing time, right? Don't skimp on the shorts. Okay, shorts can get you out there as well, and then if your shorts do well, they will promote your longer videos. I have a list here. These are some ideas. If you don't have any, that should work for you. Okay, I have 31 days listed here, but some of these are going to be repeats because why not? It's going to be 31 days. A workday vlog. You're coming to work with me. You're going to see what I do for a little bit, okay? Or as much as you want them to see. A workday vlog from start to finish, okay? A get ready with me. I put 2 of these down because you literally get ready for everything, okay? Without really thinking about it. So film it at least twice. And get that video out there. You could definitely do more for sure because like I said, there's 31 days out there, but you could definitely do more. I would say 2 minimum. Get ready with me. Get ready with me for work. Get ready with me to take my baby to the doctor's office. Get ready for an appointment. Get ready for whatever I need to get ready. An errands day. If I have more than 2 things I need to do in a day, go to the post office, go get groceries, go pick up make that a video. Shopping in general, you have to get stuff done other than like running an errand. This is miscellaneous. I just feel like I want to do this shopping day, okay? As well as window shopping. Mind you, some of these videos you can extend and expand one video into 2. This is an example of one, okay? So if I'm doing a shopping video anyway, I'm recording this, I'm at the mall or whatever, and I'm just looking around for stuff. I can choose a store in the mall and say, hey, they're having a sale. I'm just gonna show you the items in the store. A window shopping type video. Okay? That's 2 videos in one. You get to make your shopping day video and you get to make that. Because you're already there, you're already doing it. You know what I'm saying? Post it. Fixing something. If you're like into cars or whatever, you have to fix your car. If you're into shoes and you're trying to restore shoes, fixing something and making that a video. Cooking or going out to dinner. Listen, some people are going out more, some people are staying in more, so just make a video about it. New restaurants that you try or whatever, new recipes that you try, even old recipes if you know that they're really good, if you know that they're really easy, post it. Going on a date. Okay, yes, you don't want to, if this is a new date, you don't want to film it, okay? That's a little weird, but you could, in a sense, not a get ready with me, but like a whole process of like up until going to the date. So even if you secretly filmed, right, I'm just throwing it out there, secretly filmed, like not showing the person, right, but like walking up to the date and introducing yourself, if that was the first time, cliffhanger, boom, video. I just made that up. Or of course a date with your boo. If it's a date with your boo in real life, then you can film it and show you guys having a good time. You feel me? Cleaning, I don't know why, but people do like cleaning videos. So, and this does not have to be specifically to like, I'm finna clean my whole house. This could be a deep clean of your kitchen, a deep clean of your oven, a deep clean of your guest room, a deep clean of your car. Cleaning videos, okay? People like them. Halloween. If you're into Halloween, this is a twofer, okay? You have the preparation video, and then you have Actually, it could be a 3-day video, okay? This could give you 3 days, okay? Preparation, preparing for your outfit or whatever, okay? The actual get ready with me if you're gonna get dressed up. And then the day of Halloween. That's 3 videos. Boom. I don't know how many videos I'm at right now, but I'm going down the list and some ideas are popping to me as I talk, okay? So just bear with me. A day in the life video. I put 4 of these because they don't have to be as specific. It could just be a day in my life, okay? I'm just start to finish. This is what I do, okay? Once I get up till I go to bed. This day, this particular day, this is what's happening, okay? So some of those shopping videos, some of those other videos could be integrated into this video as well. Repurpose your footage, okay? This video suggestion is for someone other than you. So I would do a video of I have 2 kids, so I could do a day in the life of my children. Or if you have like pets, a day in the life of my whatever, my iguana, my dog. This is what my dog does all day long, you know what I'm saying? And just film random clips. It might sound stupid, but I guarantee putting those clips together will make sense, will make a good video. Say you don't have enough footage for one day, okay, just keep filming, boo. Just keep filming, okay? And then eventually you'll have enough clips together to put one video, okay? Does that make sense? Even if it's over a couple of days, just random. I'm a plant mom, you know what I'm saying? This is how my plants are thriving. This is how my plants are dying. Something other than yourself that you're into, okay? This is what I ate today. I know for some of you, like myself, this may not be a good idea because I don't eat well, okay? So I don't know if anybody want to watch what I eat in a day, but they might. I don't know. I'll put 2 of those. I'll put 2, okay? So some of these, as you're seeing, you could double up on, okay? And just keep the party going because they might have interest. So it might be cool to have a second one or whatever that they can also click on. Behind the scenes content day, whatever you're also already filming, because chances are if you're into YouTube, you're into other social medias, right? So you're into TikTok, or you're into making shorts, or you're into YouTube or Snapchat or whatever. So you could film a behind the scenes of what it takes to make that video, whether it's showing your setup or how you put things together, or maybe your visualization process, or if you're going on a trip, this is how I would prepare. Something that shows how you set things up in order to get to the end result of something else. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. A general how-to video, okay? Show me how to fix something. Show me how to change my oil. Show me how to make a painting. Show me how to clean my oven without, I don't know. Does anybody know really how to clean the oven? I don't know. Show me how I should be doing laundry. Oddly enough, a lot of people don't know how to do laundry. Okay, I'm just saying. Don't overthink it. Just do it. I did 2 of those, okay? You know how to do something, okay? Share it with the world. A review video. Okay, it's October. There's gonna be a shit ton of movies out. Okay, review a movie, review a restaurant, review a place that you went to, review an item that you purchased. Literally review anything. I only put 2, but potentially there could be a lot more that you could do for that. Maintenance videos, maintenance with hair, body care, nails, car maintenance, like everything literally needs house maintenance. Jesus, apartment maintenance, whatever. Maintenance videos. Okay, that's an idea. You could do all of them, or you could just do one. Styling videos, styling hair, styling clothes, styling other people, styling, again, all, some, styling shoes. Some people are into sneakers, so this is how I would style an outfit around this pair of shoes. This is how I would style an outfit around this bag, these pieces of jewelry. Styling. An experience. This is the last video idea that I have on here. An experience. So I am going to go karting. I'm gonna go racetrack driving. I'm gonna go snorkeling, whatever. Film an experience, because people want to see an experience. That's it. I feel like that's a lot of videos. I don't know how many actually I said out loud. I know I have my list, but I kind of went off a little bit. So hopefully that's helpful for you to at least get started, or at least get some, you know, things rolling in your head. I'm gonna be using some of these for sure. Some of them, maybe not. You're just gonna have to look and see, okay? Vlogtober is here, okay? Get with it. We're gonna record some videos, we're gonna film, and we're gonna have fun. If anything, just make sure you have fun. It's gonna be a good time. Let's just make this content, y'all. That was real country. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.